Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. Before starting, let me disclose the information to you that Monopoly Go does not currently have a direct block option. However, you can remove a player from your friend list to stop them from interacting with you. So first of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your device. Once you're in the home page, tap the Friends icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on Leaderboard tab. Make sure that you've pressed on the Friends tab inside Leaderboard. All of your friends that you've added will be listed below. Select the player's name to open up their detail. In the pop-up, click on the three dots in orange. You will see the Remove option, which you'll need to press on. Click on Remove in the pop-up box and you will then be able to remove the contact from your friend list. Since Monopoly Go does not have a block feature, removing unwanted friends is the best way to manage your game interactions. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe and share for more helpful tips. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.